Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce Leh Province, one of the most beautiful provinces in northeastern Thailand. First, Phu Kradung National Park is the most famous attraction in Leh. It is well known for its long hiking trail to the top of the mountain. Visitors must walk several kilometers, but the river is worth it. At the top, tourists can enjoy beautiful viewpoints such as Phà Nok An, waterfalls like Nam Tok Wang Quang, and breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. During winter, the weather is very cool and refreshing. Second, Purua National Park is another popular destination. It is known for its cold weather, especially in winter when temperatures can drop significantly. The park is also famous for colorful flowers and beautiful mountain scenery. The name Pura means boat mountain because the mountain shape looks like a large boat. Third, Shenkan is a charming old town located along the Mekong River. It is famous for its walking street, wooden houses, and slow lifestyle. Tourists can enjoy local food, buy handmade products, and experience traditional culture. In the morning, visitors can join the almsgiving ceremony with monks, which is a peaceful and meaningful activity. Another highlight in Shanghai is Phu Talk, a viewpoint where tourists wake up early to see the sea of mist and sunrise over the Mekong River. The view is especially beautiful during the cool season. Next, Phu Ba Po, also called the Fuji of Leh, is a unique mountain with a shape similar to Mount Fuji in Japan. It is a popular photography spot, especially when surrounded by morning fog. Leh is also well known for the Pi Ta Khon festival in Dan Sai district. This colorful and unique festival is part of a local Buddhist tradition. People wear large handmade ghost masks and participate in parades and traditional performances. It attracts many Thai and international tourists every year. Another natural attraction is Gang Khut Khu, a scenic area around the Mekong River. During the dry season, large logs appear in the river, creating a beautiful landscape. Visitors can relax at riverside restaurants and enjoy local dishes. Finally, Pulong Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for rare plants, especially wild orchids. It is a protected area with rich biodiversity and cool weather, making it perfect for nature lovers. In conclusion, Leh Province offers a wide range of attractions, from national parks and mountains to cultural festivals and peaceful riverside towns. Whether you enjoy hiking, photography, or cultural experiences, Leh has something for everyone. Thank you for your attention.